Bye! Yan. Bye, Philippines! Trans. Ayan. Airport. Picture na, picture. Ayan. Bye-bye, Philippines. See you soon. Haru. Picture. Bye-bye, Philippines. Ayan. Terminal 1. Ayos. Goodbye, Philippines. Yun ang mga airlines. Let's go. Yan, laki oh. SkyTeam. China Air. Yung isa, alis na yung isa. Yun, Philippine Airlines. Laki nun. Naiya International Airport. Terminal 1. Ayos. Ito masaklap eh. Yung iba nag-aangal-ngalan nga kanina. Iiyakan na isa eh. Goodbye, Philippines. Ayan, nasa Las Vegas na tayo. Okidok. Goodbye, Philippines. Go.
Why is it not yellow?
Sad.
Why is it not yellow? Yellow. Like yours.
Oh, wala. Hindi na nilalagyan ng ano, color. Laki, no? Bye-bye.
One.
Kaya punta yan. Amerika.
One.
Mumulan. Napunta tayo ng ulan, buti na lang. Dito tayo sa loob ng airport. Ayan, no? Buti na lang. Dito na tayo nabot ng ulan sa loob ng airport. Hindi na tayo mababasa. Ayos. Nantok ako. Yes. Ay. Mamimiss kita, Pilipinas. Bali bukas. Sa makalawa, sa isang buwan, narito na tayo. December. Balik tayo December. Ay. Ayos. Philippine Airlines. Ayos. Nandiyan ang aeroplano, wala pa?
Andiyan na yun, sir. Pa-boarding na kayo sa 10:15.
Okay.
Opo.
At least di naman naghintay.
Hindi pa ano naman yun, sir, kasi ano naman yun 45 minutes.
Okay.
Parang pagka 10:20 boarding, 11:10 or 11:05, ganun something.
Okay.
Departure.
Uh-huh.
Ayun, sir, yung aeroplano yung
Ayun?
sa right side, yes, sir.
Laki.
112. Going to Los Angeles.
Uh-huh.
Tama, sir, ng 112.
Yeah.
Kaya po isa sa ano.
1, 2. So wala nang check dito ngayon.
Ayun yung last, sir.
Yung pa punta na doon.
Sakto yung crew papasok na, sir.
Okay.
Ayun yan, sir, ang final. Ayun po yung mga po sa loob.
Grabe ang iingay. Under construction tayo ngayon. So yung mga ano ko, mga ating mga porter, mga tututula kayo. Sila. Nung ano, jackhammer. Ay, busy. Nagpapapasok.
Possible, sir, ako sumagot.
Wala pa, hindi pa raw eh. Laki. Kararating lang. Busy pa. Sana si Pogi. Pasalubong. Ayun. Para di Pogi. Ang dami pasahero. Punta ng LA. May remember sa kay Pogi. Going to Los Angeles. Ayan, ating CR 1211 Los Angeles. Okay, dahil ilaw. Puno ang aeroplano nito. Okay. Yes. Balik na tayo ng Vegas. Okay na. Yan ang Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay Philippine Airlines. Yan. nandun ako sa dulo. Ay, hindi yata ito yun. Ayan, ayan. Philippine Airlines, welcome. Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Balik na naman. Balik na naman tayo. Picture ng ibig. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Okay. Mamaya nasa Las Vegas na tayo. Okay, see you in Las Vegas. Ang leg room niya. Yan. Ano naman kaya ang lunch and dinner, lunch and dinner natin. Laki rin, diba? Okay, leg room.
Your batteries are now prohibited inside the overhead storage bin. Only 2 power banks are allowed on board. If you have these items, please keep them on your person, or you may put them in the seat pocket or under the seat in front of you at all times. Please wait for the announcement before charging your portable electronic devices such as cell phones and laptops. Charging power banks.
Sana wala nang ang lalaki Ang lalaki ng airlines
Please notify our passengers if you notice any abnormalities or signs of weakness of your portable electronic devices or batteries. Store your carry-on baggage in the overhead bin or under the seat.
Please set your mobile and tablet devices to airplane mode, and please switch off all your transmitting portable electronic devices. Charging of devices during taxi, takeoff, and landing is strictly prohibited. If your gadget slips between the seats, do not adjust the seats. Please call a cabin crew member for assistance. Yeah.
switched off. Please remain seated for orderly disembarkation. We ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Los Angeles. See.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Los Angeles, your port of entry into the United States. Before disembarking, please have all your documents ready. After clearing with U.S. Immigration, all checked-in baggage must be screened from carousel number 5. Regardless of your final destination, it is mandatory that all baggage be cleared through U.S. Customs here in Los Angeles. There is no automatic transfer of luggage and there is no exception. Passengers with connecting flights, please proceed to the interline desk. To facilitate the deplaning of passengers, may we request all